Of all the viral methods available, distributing free ebooks is still one of the most popular, and oftentimes it's still the most effective. The first and most common form is the basic free distribution ebook. It contains valuable information about a specific topic and can be easily and immediately downloaded from a web page. Some webmasters require that a person give up their name and email address in order to have access to the download. Although this might be a good method for increasing the size of your mailing list, it can seriously diminish the number of people who download the ebook. Keep in mind that the primary objective is to widely distribute a viral marketing product. It would be best, at least in this particular instance, to find some other way to get names and email addresses for your mailing list. For example, within the ebook, you could offer readers some other freebie in exchange for their name and email address. That could be an autoresponder e-course, another ebook, videos, a software program, etc. Basically, something of value that is related to the same topic discussed in the ebook. The second form of ebook is one that can be branded. In this version, the end user is allowed to insert their own information. For example, they could include their name, a link to their website or business, and/or an ad for a product they would like to promote. How much information you allow them to insert is entirely up to you, but you need to consider the value factor. The more benefit the end user will achieve, the more likely they'll actively distribute the ebook after it's branded. You don't have to let them take over the entire promotional aspect of the ebook. After all, it is your viral marketing product. However, you do need to allow them enough branding so they feel as though promoting and distributing the ebook will be well worth their own time and effort. Of course, the ultimate value of the ebook, both for you and for anyone who brands it, is the fact that it contains content that's worth passing along to other people. If your ebook appears to be nothing more than a promotional message for some product or service, it's unlikely anyone will want their name or business associated with it. And even if they do, there won't be many people inclined to help distribute it. What you need to provide is good, concise, and exciting content. No fluff, filler, or BS. Just the most important and interesting facts about whatever topic you've chosen. Keep it short and sweet and to the point. This is the perfect example of quality versus quantity. It's not about how many pages you pack into the ebook. It's about how much value you pack into it. It doesn't matter whether there are 10 pages or 50. If the reader feels as though they gained a considerable amount of benefit from the content, you've got yourself a winner. And in this case, that means a viral winner, something that will be widely distributed. Writing your own ebook content can be a rather daunting task, especially for someone who doesn't feel comfortable doing that sort of thing. But it's actually not that hard to do. Here are 7 simple steps to help you create your viral ebook. Step 1. Choose a topic. Sometimes this can prove to be more challenging than the content itself. Let's face it, without a killer topic, you don't have much chance of producing an ebook that countless people will be anxious to distribute. Although there are many directions your content could take, the most popular ones are those that have 2 distinct characteristics. Number 1. It promises the reader a timely solution. Number 2. It tells the reader exactly how to accomplish it. For example, if the topic is lose weight quickly and safely, the title of the ebook could be Lose 10 pounds in 10 days or less without pills or surgery. Then the content of the ebook tells the reader exactly how they can do that. Or, if the topic is free website traffic, the title is 15 Ways to Generate Massive Traffic Without Spending a Dime. Then the content lists what those 15 ways are and explains exactly how to implement each of them. When choosing a topic, always think ahead. Can you associate a really killer title with that particular topic? Can you gather some really dynamic content based on that particular topic? If the answer is no, pick something else. Something that does in fact fulfill all the characteristics that an ebook needs in order to qualify as a viral marketing product. Step 2. Conduct research. Make a short list of keywords that are directly related to the topic you've chosen. Then conduct searches using each of those terms. What you're looking for is quality information about your topic. It can be articles, web content, or any other form of previously written information. What you'll do with that information is become totally educated and familiar with your topic. A simple method of doing that rather quickly is to print out the information you've found and then read it over and over again. Once you feel as though you know the topic inside and out, you're ready to start developing your own content. Step 3. Create a table of contents. Even before you begin to write, you need to establish specific areas within your main topic that you want to cover throughout your ebook. Basically, you need to develop a table of contents. For example, if you're writing about how to lose weight, you need to break the main topic down into subcategories. These might include such things as nutrition, exercise, and mental attitude. If your ebook covers 15 ways to generate free traffic, you should make a list of those methods so you know exactly what subtopics you'll be writing about. The more specific you can be about how the overall content will be structured, the easier it will be when you actually begin writing. And that includes where and how you'll insert your own promotional link and information. Remember, above all else, this ebook is intended to be a viral marketing product. Make certain you've established a convenient and natural means of weaving your own information throughout the content. Step 4. Develop the content. The main advantage of having a clear and concise structure, including a table of contents, is the fact that you can simply fill in the blanks. Pick an area of the content you feel most confident and knowledgeable about, and then start writing. Don't worry too much about making sense or being perfect, just get something written. If you run out of steam on that particular area of content, move to something else. Write whatever you can and then move to yet another area. Keep doing that until you've filled in as much overall content as possible. If you run completely dry but your content isn't complete, go back to your original research information, what you printed out, and reread any areas that you still need to develop. Be aware, however, that the information you printed is merely a means of educating yourself. If you can't write something on your own, it means that you haven't become as familiar with the topic as you need to be. In that case, keep reading the printed information until you do know the topic well enough to write something new and original. Step 5. Edit and proofread. What you've initially written should be considered nothing more than a first draft. That's why it's important not to labor over the writing style or being perfect when you first begin writing. After you've gotten the overall content down, then you can go back and rework it. Go over it as many times as you want or need, refining and editing until you're satisfied with the end result. When you feel as though you've reached a final draft, put the content aside for at least a day or two. After it's cooled off, you can go back and perform one last edit. Or if you know someone who is more qualified and they're willing, have them do it for you. Either way, make certain your ebook has been checked and rechecked and is ready for public distribution. Step 6. Compile your ebook. Once you're certain the content of your ebook is as good as it can be, it's time to compile it into an actual ebook. You have two choices, PDF or EXE format. Most people choose PDF, mainly because it's a universal format that both Windows and Macintosh users can access with Adobe Reader. And since Adobe Reader comes installed on most computers, opening and reading a PDF ebook isn't a problem. Even if Adobe Reader is not installed, it's simply a matter of downloading a free copy from the adobe.com website. Plus, there are programs like PDF 995, Primo PDF, and online services like Nevia PDF Converter that allow you to create PDF ebooks for free. The other format, EXE, is more commonly used for brandable ebooks. These can be created using any number of compiler software programs, many of which come with their own branding software that's included in the purchase price. For more info on this type of software, check out Active eBook Compiler. The web address is ebookcompiler.com. You can also brand PDF ebooks, but you'll need to purchase a separate program like Viral PDF, found at viralpdf.com, in order to accomplish that. Step 7. Distribute your ebook. The last and final step is to distribute your new masterpiece. If you have an email list, then start there. Send a short email with a link to your ebook. Be sure to tell your subscribers they can give your book away for free and also use it as a bonus for products they sell. Next, you could give away copies on forums related to your niche topic. You could also make YouTube videos and include the download link in the description. And don't forget about social media. You have all sorts of free distribution channels at your disposal, so put them to good use. Now I will share 3 more viral ebook tips that are easy to implement and work extremely well so you can get even better results. Number 1. Include tweetable content so the user can easily click on the line that they like and instantly send a tweet to all their followers. Number 2. Search for products that are related to the topic of your ebook. Contact the owners and offer to let them give your ebook away both on their website and through their newsletter if they have one. To sweeten the deal, allow them to brand the version they personally distribute to their viewers and/or customers. Number 3. Submit your ebook to online directories. Simply do a Google search using the term ebook directory, and you'll find plenty of sites that you can submit to. I've personally had great success with these methods, and you will too if you take action. Invest a little time on this now, and you will reap the rewards for many years to come. In this video, I'm going to reveal powerful viral video marketing secrets, including the 3 essential components you must have in your video to increase its chances of going viral. But first, what is a viral video? Here's the short and sweet answer. A viral video is any video that gets massively shared online. Think Charlie bit my finger or sneezing baby panda. In the beginning, most videos that went viral were amateur filmed and funny. But once marketers saw the potential, they immediately threw their hats into the ring and completely changed the landscape of viral video marketing forever. Now, viral videos run the gamut of epic fails to big-budget cinematic masterpieces. You have sole proprietors competing with Fortune 500 companies for your attention on YouTube, and the fight is pretty even. But why are they fighting in the first place? And why should you consider joining the fight? Some of the reasons are obvious why viral video marketing is so popular, traffic generation being the most obvious. Others not so much. Here are 5 reasons you should consider creating videos in case you're still on the fence about using videos as part of your marketing strategy. Number 1. Videos promote more engagement than any other form of media. Number 2. Potential clients are more likely to purchase a product when it's featured in a video. Number 3. Videos provide more word-of-mouth attention than other forms of media. Number 4. Videos are becoming more and more popular on social media sites. And number 5. Videos compel more people to share. And a viral video will do the following for your business: generate more traffic, generate more sales, generate more clients, generate more attention, and generate more brand exposure. Now it's time to answer that million-dollar question. So how do you make your video go viral? Ever since the viral video craze started, marketing blogs have published countless posts listing the 8 simple hacks or 10 essential ingredients or other such titles for making your next video go viral, guaranteed. Everybody jumped on the bandwagon with blind optimism, convinced that they only needed to do those 8 or 10 things to make every video they created go viral. They mistakenly thought that a simple formula, which always included some type of cute animal, could create viral video after viral video. It didn't take them long to figure out that wasn't true. See, it's not a series of tricks and tactics that are guaranteed to make videos go viral. Truthfully, there's no set formula. If there were, viral videos would no longer exist. Instead, every video would just have millions of views and there would be no need for companies like Coca-Cola and Apple to spend big bucks on video marketing. So let's go ahead and get the bad news out of the way. You're never guaranteed that a video will go viral, even one that does everything right. But you can increase your chances of creating a viral video, and it's not as complicated as you might think. Here are the 3 key components every video must have if you want to increase your chances of creating a viral video. Component number 1. You must make something worth sharing. This is the cardinal rule of viral video marketing. Every day you're exposed to seemingly unlimited video options on YouTube and Facebook, but do you watch every single one? No. If you did, you wouldn't have time for anything else. Instead, you pick and choose, selecting only the videos that resonate with you personally, that first make you feel something, and then compel you to share with your friends. Screencast or PowerPoint slideshows don't compel you to share, and yet they're typically the first route most marketers take to try and create a viral-worthy video. Point blank, you have to bring more to the table than that. You must make something that people will A, choose to watch, and B, want to share with their friends. No one else can give you the answer to the question, what will my target audience want to watch? That's up to you, and I believe it depends heavily on how well you know your target audience. As a matter of fact, that's the cornerstone to all marketing. Component number 2, you must make your viewers feel something. Before you can make someone do something, you must first make that person feel something. As humans, we are motivated by our emotions. They're the real reason why we decide to buy or share anything. Your video must elicit an emotional response from your viewers. If it doesn't, it will simply be ignored. How do you make your readers feel something? Here are a few suggestions. Tell them an interesting story, make them laugh, make them cry, shock them, or inspire them. Remember, it's not enough for your video to be purely informational.